What's the meaning of birder? Birder. Birder.
Birder. Birder. A birder is someone who enjoys birdwatching as a hobby. They may observe and identify birds in the wild, keep track of sightings in a journal or database, and participate in birding competitions or events. Some birders may also contribute to research projects aimed at studying bird populations, behavior, migration patterns, and other aspects of avian ecology. Birding can be done in various settings such as parks, forests, wetlands, and even urban areas. It requires patience, attention to detail, and a keen sense of observation. Many people find birding to be a relaxing and rewarding way to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of wildlife.